This is a video about the Clinic Pro patient portal using Lifesaver app. Why should you use it in your practice? First of all, it's absolutely free, and it's a huge benefit for your patients. They can fill out the system review in the convenience of their home, and it gives you a comprehensive view of their conditions, their medications, their allergies, their family medical history, and their symptoms. Gathering all of this data substantiates a higher evaluation and management code, your exam code. The patient also has the option of purchasing an annual subscription for $20, with the regular price being $39.95, because you have made it available to them. They can use it for other doctors that they may consult. In addition, the demographic information can be imported directly into the Patient Detail tab of Clinic Pro, saving data entry time for your staff. When your patient fills it out, your clinic receives a PDF that can be attached to the Clinic Pro EMR or simply saved to your hard drive. If you use the Clinic Pro EMR, your office notes can be exported for the patient to read. That's an option for you. Now, the process starts by this. You send out an email to your new patient or to any patient that you want to have additional information, and you can use what we've set up as our demo email to patients, or you can create your own, but it will give them a link that they will follow that will go directly into Lifesaver app. Once they go there, it looks like this. This is how a new patient will enter it. They will create a username and password, and then they will put very basic information on the first screen of their entry. Now, the patient details screen looks like this, where it's got all of their contact information at the top, and then at the bottom of the screen it's got their address, their features, information that you don't normally have in Clinic Pro, and optional information down at the bottom. That is what the demographic screen looks like. Once they finish the demographic screen and save it, it'll go on to the medical history. They'll enter their medical history by clicking the plus button, and then they will type the first 4 letters of any kind of medical history that they have. And once it does that, a drop-down list appears to help them with the spelling, so that they make sure to spell things correctly. After that, and they click the next button, it'll go to medications. Again, there's a plus sign that they will use in order to enter things. And there is a 4-letter drop-down that appears for all of their prescribed drugs. Obviously, some of them are hard to spell. So we suggest that they sit with their pill boxes in front of them and put them in, and also that they put in OTC or over-the-counter medications that might be contraindicated with their prescribed drugs. When they're done with that, they can put in their allergies. And with the allergy screen, they have the choice of drug, food, or environment in order to enter their allergies, and their reactions also have drop-down boxes. We've made all of this as easy as possible for data entry. When they're done with that, it will take them to the family history. The family history looks like this, where they can click on the boxes and it will make a check mark in order for them to indicate any family history, especially things that have a tendency to run in families. And when they're all done, the family history looks like this. When they click next, it will go on to the system review. And as you can see here, there are check boxes. All they've got to do is click on it and it checks them. When we made the review initially, I took 150 different review of system forms in order to create the most comprehensive review of systems that I think you'll find. This is what the musculoskeletal and neurological part of it looks like, so that we capture a lot of the information that you need in your office. This is a typical view of the skeletal and neurological, and it's all part of Lifesaver app, which is the patient portal that is used for Clinic Pro. When they're all done, their system review looks like this. And when they click Finish, it's stored with 256-bit encryption on our server, ready to be downloaded into Clinic Pro when the patient appears in your office. The next video will go over what happens once they appear in your office and how you import that into Clinic Pro.